Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Camel Steam Cleaner, a versatile, 3-level adjustable handheld steamer designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks around your home and car. We discovered this product online, and you can find the link in the description to check out the latest price and availability. So, what is the Camel Steam Cleaner? This handy device is a pressurized steam cleaner that heats up in just 10 seconds. With a 1.9 quart tank, it delivers powerful steam for deep cleaning, making it perfect for a wide range of surfaces. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, or car, this steamer promises to make cleaning a breeze. Now, let's dive into some of the standout features of the Camel Steam Cleaner. First, we have the adjustable steam levels. With 3 different settings, you can easily customize the steam output according to the task at hand. Need to tackle tough grime? Crank up the steam. For more delicate surfaces, you can dial it down. Another impressive feature is its rapid heat-up time. In just 10 seconds, you can be ready to start cleaning. This is a significant time saver, especially when you're in a rush or tackling unexpected messes. The 1.9 quart tank also means you get a decent amount of steam before needing to refill, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Who is this product suitable for? The Camel Steam Cleaner is perfect for busy households, pet owners, or anyone who values a clean and sanitized environment. If you have kids, you know how quickly messes can happen, and this device can help you keep up with those spills and stains. It's also ideal for individuals who are sensitive to chemicals, as steam cleaning is a great natural alternative to harsh cleaning agents. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. You can use the Camel Steam Cleaner to sanitize and clean your kitchen countertops, eliminating bacteria without the need for chemical cleaners. It's excellent for refreshing upholstery in your living room, removing pet hair, and tackling those stubborn stains. In the bathroom, it works wonders on tile and grout, revitalizing surfaces that can often appear dingy. Plus, for car enthusiasts, this handheld steamer is perfect for detailing your vehicle, ensuring every nook and cranny is spotless. In conclusion, the Camel Steam Cleaner is a practical, efficient, and eco-friendly solution for anyone looking to enhance their cleaning routine. With its adjustable steam levels, rapid heat-up time, and versatility across various surfaces, it truly stands out as a handy tool for your home and beyond. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.